In this video, I want to share my secret to passive income streams for everyday people. I'll go over just what passive income is and why it should be a top priority for you, and an easy way everyday people like you and me can make passive income. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I'm a full-time internet marketer, have been for many years, and passive income has been my driving force for almost as long as I can remember. Before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell too. I make new videos almost daily on everything related to financial freedom and making money online. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button too. That tells YouTube this is the kind of content you like. And as always, I would appreciate any comments or feedback too. So let's start with just what passive income is and why it can be so important. Passive income is money that comes in without any extra effort. In my online marketing business, it is money that can continue to come in month after month for the sales you make today. Passive income is what can set you free. It's how people escape the rat race. See, rather than just trading your time for money like you do in a traditional job or most side hustles, with passive income, you leverage your time. It's what lets my wife Barbara and I live a dream lifestyle. We are able to do the things we want to do when we want to do them. In the summer, we spend most days boating, either here at home with the ski boat and kayaks or up on the sailboat. In the winter, I spend most days skiing, and in between those seasons, I spend most days in my hobby wood shop. I haven't worked a real full-time job in many years. And we do all of these things while most people are stuck at their job just trading their time for dollars. No leverage, no passive income. And the only way they can make more money is to work more time. So let me share just how I create passive income and how you can too. And right up front, let me assure you, it's actually easier than you think, even if you've never done anything like this before. What I want to share is my number one recommended income stream. I build a really simple but very lucrative home business. Anyone can do what I do. No previous experience is needed. It's all done online, and it only takes a few hours per week from wherever you happen to be. You can even do this while you're at the beach or watching television. And in addition to building passive income, you can start making money fast. Many new people make money in their first day or two in our business. I love getting paid Thursdays by direct deposit. And remember, this is all about passive, recurring income too. Because of the automation of our proven online system, you can really leverage your time. All you need is a few minutes per day. When you team up with us, you will get access to everything you need to create passive income. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails. Again, no previous experience is needed. We'll provide you with the best training and support. We offer 6 live Zoom calls each week. We have a terrific online training site and a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. I invite you to take advantage of my 30+ years in the home business industry. It's so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. So, if you're ready to stop trading your time for dollars and finally escape the rat race, grab my free training and ebook that detail the fastest and the easiest way yet to create passive income. I'll show you exactly how to create passive income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at joebarkley.com/passive. Again, that's joebarkley.com/passive. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.